What's more fun than getting that question? Why are you still single? Or when are you going to get married? Especially if it's coming from family, parents. It is not a fun one to hear. And we have our own stuff this can certainly bring up. So we're going to do some EFT tapping together for that feeling of, because you essentially are being judged for your life choices, your relationship choices, your being single. So, side of the hand, repeating after me, even though I am being judged for being single, however they try to phrase it, I certainly feel it as judgment. And it brings up all sorts of emotions. And I choose to honor myself and what I'm feeling. Even though I am being judged, the little remarks and comments, the questions, my romantic life is their business somehow. And this brings up feelings for me. And I choose to welcome those and to honor and accept myself in the process. Even though I am being judged, I'm being interrogated and it feels like being judged for what's going on with my relationship or lack of relationship. And maybe I am choosing to be single. Maybe I have my own feelings about being single. But I certainly don't need anyone else's feelings on top of it. So this definitely brings up stuff for me. And I choose to honor those feelings and accept myself as best I can. All right, let's go through the points now. So this judgment I'm receiving, the comments, the questions, why are you still single? When are you going to get married? Maybe it's more subtle messaging. Comments about how people are meant to be together. Whether it's coming at me directly or it's just a vibe I'm picking up. I get the feeling I am being judged for something that's very personal to me. I may already have my own emotions about where I'm at in terms of my romantic life. Whether I even want to get married or be in a long-term relationship. Maybe I'm not sure yet. Maybe I want it and don't have it. And that's already enough pain. But the judgment, the comments, the questioning, as best I can, I am allowing my honest reaction to those. I may feel quite defensive. There may be bursts of anger with this. I may have some very choice words. Maybe I want to say them and I hold back. Whatever that reaction and feeling is within me, it's important to give myself some space where I actually allow that feeling to arise. where I create a space for myself, where finally something's not being judged. Relaxing any judgment on my side for my own reactions here. Because I could get pretty upset. I might have some pretty nasty words or thoughts coming up. And if I suppress those or make them bad or wrong, that energy stays with me. And I don't have to say anything to the person. But I do want to allow those feelings within me. Allowing it to be felt and released. Not by trying to get rid of these feelings. Just letting that internal reaction complete. Whatever I feel I want to say or express. It's none of your business. It's my choice and my right what I do with my life. If I'm working through stuff around relationship, I honor that for myself. It's my right whether or not I wish to share that. And I may not be able to control what people say, what questions they may ask. But I am open to the possibility that as I feel and process through my own reactions to their words, it may have less and less effect on me. It could be a calm and simple, just response that says whatever I feel I need to say. Maybe it's something to just end the conversation. But I'm open to the inner experience of it not triggering me. Yeah, people are rude, people say things, people ask personal things. People sometimes feel entitled to give their opinions. So be it. I'm open to removing any buttons that they're able to push by judging me or asking me. And people have a tendency to judge no matter what. They might judge my choice of partner if I had one. They might judge the lifestyle. So I don't have to pretend to like being judged. But I'm allowing my own emotions to process. And if there are any places within me where I am judging myself or don't feel comfortable about where I'm at with relationship, I can explore that further. But for now, just relaxing and letting go of whatever charge I'm able to. Allowing myself to feel free and peaceful within, even if people continue to judge. Okay, take a breath. See if there's any more relaxation. Even if someone were to ask you, hey, why aren't you married yet? What's going on? See if that has less of a charged effect. I'll put a link on the end screen to other relationship related tappings. If there's anything about this or other topics you'd like to explore more together, check links in the description below for ways to work one-on-one or in groups, as well as some other resources there. I hope this helps you. Let me know any questions, comments, requests, and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.